People get robbed, shot down, gangs, kids get snatched up. If I didn't have Blackstone, I would be getting into a lot of trouble right now.
Blackstone Bicycle Works is a non-profit community bike shop. Refurbish used bicycles back to sell into the community.
It made a lot of sense that there were so many used bicycles all over the city, and particularly in the neighborhood, that no one was using and no one knew how to fix them. So the initial impetus was to not just refurbish them ourselves for the kids, but then to teach them how to do it.
We run a youth program in the context of a small business.
They teach me more than just working on bikes. Learn how to deal with situations.
We definitely see a holistic approach, like everything is connected and important for these young people. What we provide is a safe space for youth and children to come.
So, how long you been on honor roll?
2 years in a row.
Whoa! I should high-five you for that.
Mm-hmm.
The kids earn hours for work that they do in the shop. Once you earn 25 hours, that bicycle is yours.
Can you hold that for me?
For our kids, it's a huge level of accomplishment. You know, a big part of it is self-sufficiency, troubleshooting skills, life lessons, the confidence you can even build from, say, changing a flat tire.
And when they talk about coming to the bike shop, they always talk about working in the bike shop, that this is their job. In this neighborhood, there are many, many people who don't have jobs. And so this creates this possibility for them, as long as they would like to work, they have a job.
I see a lot of, kind of future leaders, young people who are going to have an impact on, if not just this, community, maybe the larger city of Chicago.
I tutor some of the kids here. I'm hoping to be a doctor. 'Cause I would like to help people.
It's almost out.